Hello, I'm Dr. Kirti from Oxygen IVF. Today I will be talking about uterine abnormalities. Uterine abnormalities vary in type and severity, each presenting with unique challenges to fertility and pregnancy. In this video, we will look into some of the most common uterine abnormalities, that is fibroids, polyps and septate uterus. First is fibroids and how they impact fertility. Fibroids, also known as leiomyomas, are non-cancerous tumors that develops in and around the uterus. Depending on their location, they affect the fertility in different ways. First is submucosal fibroids. Submucosal fibroids develops inside the uterine cavity. They interfere with uterine implantation and also increases miscarriage risk. Second is intramural fibroid. Intramural fibroids develops inside the uterine wall and thus it interferes with the blood flow to the uterine lining and hence it interferes with embryo development. Third is subserosal fibroids. Subserosal fibroids develops outside the uterus into the pelvis. It rarely affects fertility but can cause discomfort and pain. Fibroids are one of the most common uterine abnormalities, mostly affecting the reproductive age group women, and the treatment depends on their size, their location, how they impact the fertility. Next, we will talk about polyps and how they affect implantation. Polyps are usually benign, small growth that form in the uterine lining. Usually they are harmless, but they can sometimes block the uterine cavity and cause an uneven surface in the uterus, which can lead to recurrent miscarriages, difficulty in implantation of the embryos, and irregular vaginal bleeding, which can cause difficulty in ovulation tracking. Polyps are easily treatable with minimally invasive techniques like hysteroscopy, which helps in restoring the uterine environment for successful conception. Lastly, septate uterus. Septate uterus is a congenital condition in which a fibrous band divides the uterine cavity into two sections. This condition significantly affects fertility by reducing the space of the embryo to grow, by increasing miscarriages due to poor blood flow because of the fibrous septum. Correcting this condition surgically improves fertility dramatically, making it a key focus in fertility treatment. Each uterine abnormalities comes with unique challenges, but effective treatment is available to address them. In our next video, we will explore the diagnostic tests used to identify these conditions, which includes MRI and HSG. Stay tuned.